AI is changing everything, and businesses are paying thousands to automate their work. But how do you start your own AI automation business without coding or experience? Imagine making $5,000, $10,000, or even $50,000 per month just by setting up AI tools for clients? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can start an AI automation business, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. And stick around till the end because I'll share a secret scaling strategy that can take you from side hustle to a full-blown six-figure business. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a profitable AI service. Before you start making money, you need to decide what kind of AI automation service you want to offer. Here are some of the most profitable options right now. AI chatbots for businesses. Companies need 24/7 customer support, and AI chatbots can handle 80% of customer questions without human help. Use ChatGPT, ManyChat, MobileMonkey. AI video automation. Video content is huge, and AI can automate script writing, voiceovers, and editing. Use the Pictory.ai Synthesia, 11 Labs. AI copywriting and content creation. AI can generate blog posts, ad copy, and social media posts in 20 seconds. Use ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Copy.ai, Rhyme. AI email and sales funnel automation. Businesses struggle with follow-ups, but AI can automate emails and close more sales. Use our active campaign, Zapier, Make.com. Pro tip. The easiest way to start is by offering chatbot automation or AI content creation. They're high in demand and require zero coding skills. Step 2. Set up your AI tech stack. Once you pick your niche, you need the right AI tools. Don't worry, you don't need to build AI from scratch. Just use existing platforms. For AI chatbots, ChatGPT, ManyChat, or MobileMonkey. For AI content, Jasper AI, Copy.ai, Canva. For AI video, Pictory.ai, Synthesia, 11 Labs. For email and automation, Zapier, ActiveCampaign, Make.com. The secret? Stack multiple AI tools together to create high-value services. For example, if you automate video content, you can 1. Use ChatGPT to write scripts. 2. Use 11 Labs for AI voiceovers. 3. Use Pictory AI to generate videos. 4. Use Canva or Midjourney to create thumbnails. By combining tools, you can charge more and offer a complete solution. Step 3. Find high-paying clients. Okay, you've got your AI tools ready, but how do you actually find restaurant clients who will pay you? Here's where to look. Freelance platforms. Start by offering services on Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. AI automation is still new, so competition is low. Cold emailing and outreach. Find businesses that need automation and email them directly. Example, hey business name, I noticed your website gets a lot of visitors, but you don't have an AI chatbot. I can set one up to save your team hours of work and increase sales. Let's chat. LinkedIn and Twitter, X. Post content about AI automation and connect with business owners. Offer free consultations to hook them in. Local businesses. Walk into small businesses and offer to automate their social media or emails. Many owners don't even know AI can do this. Pro tip. Don't just say, I do AI automation. Instead, sell the result. Example, I make chatbots. I help businesses get 50% more leads with AI chatbots. Step 4. Deliver and automate your own work. Now that you've got clients, it's time to make your business run on autopilot. Set up AI workflows. Instead of doing everything manually, use Zapier and Make to connect AI tools, Notion or Trello to track projects, AI-generated contracts and proposals with DocuSign. Offer monthly retainers. Instead of one-time payments, charge clients a yearly monthly subscription to keep their AI systems running. Example, AI chatbot setup, $500 setup plus $200 per month. AI email automation, $1,000 per month for unlimited emails. This is how you make passive income with AI. Onion reference. Step 5, scale to 10K plus per month. Once you land 3 to 5 clients, you're already making $3,000 to $5,000 per month. But how do you scale beyond that? Raise your prices. Start at $500 per client, then increase as demand grows. High-end clients pay $5,000 plus per automation project. Outsource work. Hire freelancers to handle chatbot setup, AI content writing, or video automation. Go global. Businesses worldwide need automation. Expand your reach using LinkedIn, YouTube, and paid ads. Secret scaling strategy. Turn your AI automation business into a course or coaching program. Teach others how to do what you do and sell an online course. This can add $10,000 plus per month in passive income. AI automation is exploding, and now is the time to start before the market gets saturated. Which AI service are you most interested in? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI business strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.